Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to use a factor tree to write a number as a product of prime numbers. Okay, so we're going to find all the factors using this factor tree that when multiplied together give you that particular number. All the factors have to be prime numbers. So let me just show you how to do that with the number 24. Okay, now I'm going to break 24 up into two numbers or factors. So two numbers that multiply to give you 24. I'll do 12 times 2. Now at this point I have to tell you, once you have a prime number in front of you, you need to highlight it, which means the branch stops here. Now obviously this branch keeps going because 12 can be broken up into two factors. Let's say 3 and 4. Doesn't matter if you do 6 and 2, but I've chosen 3 and 4. 3 is a prime number, so we need to circle that. Finally, 4 has to be 2 and 2. There's no other options. Okay, now once you've done that, you haven't finished. There's one other thing that you must do, and you need to write it as the product of prime numbers. So product means times. So you write down 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now I like to actually do one other step. Now in the previous video we spoke about using power notation, so you can, if you like, write 2 to the power of 3 times 3. You can see that you've got 2 written down 3 times there, so that's why it's 2 to the power of 3. So I'd rather have my answer look like this because it's more compact, and we like compactness in maths. I'll do one other number. Let's do 84. Okay, now if you can't think of the big factors that go into 84, think about whether it's an odd or an even number. It's pretty straightforward. It's even number, so you can halve it and you can get 42. And by now you should know prime numbers are terminated, or terminate the branch, so you just stop there. 42 can be written as 7 times 6. You know your 7 times tables or your 6 times tables. 7 is a prime number. 6 continues 2 more branches because 3 times 2 gives you 6. Prime number, prime number. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 84 equals 2 times 2. There's a 3 there and a 7. And what I said earlier was I would prefer to write it in a more compact way. So I'm going to write 2 squared, covers those ones, times 3 times 7. And that's what I would prefer you to do.